Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm really excited to share with you 10 healthy appetizers that are perfect for your holiday get-togethers. There are so many times that we're celebrating and getting together over the holidays, and appetizers and food is just a really great way to spend it with your friends and family. So I love making awesome appetizers, but these ones are really healthy, which I love. I love quick, easy, and healthy, so you're gonna really enjoy these. If you're new to my channel, make sure you click subscribe. And if you like easy recipes, also make sure you put a thumbs up on this video. You're really gonna like this one. They are just all so perfect for the holiday season. So let's get going with these 10 quick, easy, and healthy recipes. This is one of my all-time favorite holiday appetizers. I have my little circle cookie cutter and I am cutting out, you can use any kind of white cheese you like. I am using Havarti and I have my salami, and I'm going to form this into look like a candy cane. So this is so fun and festive for the Christmas time, all kinds of Christmas parties and functions, and this is a really, really great and easy appetizer that you can take. So I am going to do on this side of my board a caprese shaped as a little candy cane. So I have my mozzarella, I have some sliced tomato as well, and this is so healthy, so refreshing. I love caprese. I'm going to drizzle it with my balsamic glaze. And this is just, it's so festive. I love how festive this is. And it's so easy. Could not be easier. Look how great it turns out. And it is an absolute huge hit. So I'm going to be doing some stuffed mushrooms, and I am going to place these into the shape of a Christmas tree. So this is just a really fun way to make this a little bit more holiday-like. So you can just line up these mushrooms. I have them cleaned with that stems off. And then I'm going to use this spinach, artichoke, and Parmesan dip. You can make your own dip, of course, but I love this one. I just get it from Walmart. I'm going to put a spoonful into each mushroom, and you can make stuffed mushrooms with tons of different things. I love this dip, but you can make any kind of filling you'd like. Keep it nice and healthy with these mushrooms. I'm going to bake these in the oven at 350 for about 25 minutes. Look how awesome it turns out and so festive in the Christmas tree shape. I'm going to be doing a toothpick appetizer. I love grab and go toothpick bites, and this is going to be with some beets. I have some feta cheese, some arugula, and some walnuts. So just put everything onto the little toothpick, and then these are just really great for grab and go. So I love the combination of these ingredients. I really love beets. They're so good for you. And they're so tasty. So this is just a very simple but really cute. I love that it has the green, the white, the like maroon, so it's very Christmas feeling. And you can just do a big plate of these, as much as you have the ingredients for, and you just put each thing onto that toothpick. So I am going to use my balsamic glaze again. I love this stuff. You can make your own glaze, of course, or whichever one you can find at the store. We're just gonna put this glaze over, and this is so great, so healthy, easy, and super delicious. This appetizer is really fun. I love this one. So I have some dried apricots, and I'm going to use some whipped cream cheese, and I'm going to spread a little bit over each apricot. I love using the whipped cream cheese. It really spreads a lot easier. It's nice and fluffy, and it's just a really awesome combination with these apricots. So once I have all of these apricots with a little bit of cream cheese on them, I'm going to add a walnut on top of the cream cheese. And I'm going to kind of break these walnuts up. Some of them are kind of big, so I'm going to use about half a walnut on each one of these apricots. So just a really great grab and go finger food that is so yummy and healthy too. I'm going to top this with some honey. The honey with the combination of the cream cheese and the apricot is so good. These are a huge hit. You'll just want to eat a lot of these. So they're so good. I have this cracked pepper and olive oil Triscuit. I love this flavor. It has so much flavor to it. And I'm just going to line these out on my platter nice and flat. I'm going to use my whipped cream cheese again to spread over each one of these crackers. And you can use a regular Triscuit if you like, but this cracked pepper has a really awesome flavor, and it's gonna be a really good combination because once I have this cream cheese spread over each cracker, I'm going to add a slice of strawberry. So I have my strawberries sliced out. I'm gonna set a strawberry on top of each cream cheese. Such a good combination. And then once I have the strawberry set on, I am going to drizzle this with balsamic glaze. So just all of these combinations of these ingredients, so good, super healthy, and a really, really fun appetizer to bring to your holiday parties. It's got that red in it, so it's perfect. I'm gonna do a crostini. Love doing crostinis. They are so fun. You can do so many different flavors. But I have some brie that I'm going to add onto each little piece of my French baguette. I have my oven preheated to 350. So I'm gonna put these in the oven for about 10 to 12 minutes. Now I have a slice of apple. Use your favorite kind of apple. I use Pink Lady, is my favorite. Now I'm gonna add on a drizzle of honey because it's just such a great combination with this. And now I have some chopped pecans. I'm using candied pecans because they are so good. So you can use regular pecans if you'd like. These are awesome. This is one of my favorite healthy appetizers. I make this one all the time. So I have my shrimp. It's defrosted with the tail on, but it is deveined. I have some olive oil, I have some paprika, I have some cayenne. This is gonna be such a good shrimp, and then it's going to go on top of a cucumber slice with some avocado. So it is super healthy, super delicious. It's really easy. I love how quick and easy shrimp is to make. I will put the recipe for this in the description box if you wanna check it out. I'm going to put some olive oil into my pan and spread out these shrimp. So they're really quick. Shrimp it cooks quick. It's so easy and it's so delicious. So I'm gonna flip each one over after about 3 minutes and cook this other side. So once the shrimp are done, I'm going to make kind of a guacamole. So I have my avocado. You can get guacamole at the store also if you'd like. Or I'm just gonna mash up these avocados. I have some lime juice, I have some salt, and I'm just gonna mash it with my fork. Super easy, really simple. You can add some other ingredients in if you'd like to, but like I said, I'm keeping it really simple and easy, and seriously, these are so good. I absolutely love them. So I sliced up my cucumber. I'm gonna put my guacamole, my avocado down on the cucumber, and then once those are all done, I will put on my shrimp. I did take the tail off of the shrimp, so they are ready to go. A really awesome finger food. You can just pop these and go, and they're super healthy. I just absolutely love these. So I just love making them. I make them for all kinds of parties all year long, but you will definitely want to take these to your Christmas party if you want something nice and healthy, refreshing, and a huge hit. I love making deviled eggs, really healthy, high in protein, and of course, super easy, my favorite. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe. I just love sharing with you my healthy recipes. And I love hearing comments from you guys. If you enjoyed these, leave me a comment. I'll put a thumbs up on this video also, and that really helps get my video out there so that more people can enjoy watching it like you. So I have hard-boiled my eggs. I'm putting them in their ice bath for 10 minutes. I've peeled them, and I'm going to kind of slice them open, and then I will make the filling for the inside of these deviled eggs. So here it is. I have my mayonnaise already in my bowl. I have half a cup of mayonnaise, and then I'm just gonna save the center yolks for the filling. Just really easy and simple, fun finger food. These are really great all year round, but I just love having a good, healthy, high protein appetizer to kick off your holiday parties. So I have some Dijon mustard. I have some salt and pepper as well. And then this is just a really easy filling, and anybody can make this. All of my recipes, like I said, super easy and just fun to make. And I love bringing new appetizers to all of our functions. So this one is always a big hit, and you are gonna love it as well. So I'm just putting the filling into each center of the eggs. And then once these are all filled, You can use, I'm just using my spoon, but you can use like a piping bag for frosting, and you can do a cool design if you'd like. That's a great way. But I'm going to top with some paprika. It just gives it a really awesome look, and I love the flavor of paprika also. So these are so great. I have some cooked sausage. This is just a regular kielbasa sausage cooked up. I'm going to put it on my toothpick, and then I'm also going to add on a pineapple chunk. These are so easy. I'm also going to make a glaze to put on top of this, but first I'm just going to add all of these to my toothpick. I love toothpick appetizers. They are just really great for grab and go. Then you don't have to have a plate to walk around with, but I just love toothpick appetizers. So I have a tablespoon of honey. I have some sesame oil, a tablespoon. I have some balsamic and have some soy sauce as well, that I will add a tablespoon of each one. And this is just a really great little glaze to add to the top of these sausage pineapples. Super healthy, super easy, grab and go. And these are a huge, huge hit. So you can make these ahead of time, which I really, really like appetizers that you can make ahead of time, especially if you're gonna go somewhere for a party that you need to bring something to. These travel really well. So that's a really great thing also. So you can make these ahead of time, and they're really, really delicious. I have these Phyllo shells. They are so fun to make appetizers in. There's so many different combinations. For this one, I'm going to do, I have ricotta cheese, and I'm going to make a version of a caprese. So I'm going to do a dollop of ricotta cheese into each one of these little cups. And I love ricotta. It's super refreshing, and these Phyllo cups are just really convenient as well, like super easy. So I have my cherry tomato that I cut into some smaller pieces. And then I'm going to add on some dried basil as well. So just a fun little caprese version of Phyllo cups. So just have them plated. I'll put over my dried basil. I'll put over some balsamic glaze as well. Really great finger food, really great grab and go, and super healthy as well. So I hope that you loved these healthy holiday appetizers. I really enjoyed sharing them with you. Make sure you put a like on this video if you liked it, and make sure you subscribe to my channel as well. I hope you're having a great holiday season, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.